Hi team, welcome back. So, immediately applicable tips. So, today I can tell you a small tips which should be applicable from the morning. Very important. See, coming to the rules, when we are writing any rules, we do get so many, you know, problems. So many things are going to stop us. So many people are going to be stop us. No one is going to support us. For example, it's in my case, it's not on everyone's life. If it is not, please excuse me, because person to person, family to family, it's going to be applicable. Some parents are going to support kids, some parents are not supporting kids. Some families are going to support us, some families are not going to be support us. If if it is, families, parents, everyone is supporting, definitely, you are already successful person. Only the thing is, you need to apply a small changes to get success. The other people, like, you know they have so many problems, so many things to take care, right? So many things need to take care. And, you know, but it takes a little time to overcome, because just now we started the process, right? So once we are changing everything, definitely we'll get so many problems. But my humble request is, don't stop. How many days we will wait for our success? We cannot wait more. So, immediately we should be applicable in our life, and we need to change the things. Only one thing, a small thing I can tell you. Very small things we need to change. So, woke up early morning where people won't wake up in your home. Immediately you can go with the meditation or your walk or running or exercise, whatever. Give a time for 1 hour, and after that you check your all the emails, whatever, whoever you want to reply back, you please reply. And after that you schedule the day, whatever the day you're going to spend till 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. You schedule the day. In that day, if you are working, like, you just keep 2 or 3 tasks. If you are working, if you are 100% allocating this time for your dream, your business, your success, then schedule it into the 7 parts. 7 parts. And whatever the each task, in under 7 tasks, each task should be not less than 1 hour, and break should be every task. Between task to task you can take 15 minutes to half an hour. In that time only you need to do all your personal stuff. You should not touch your phone. You should not see your phone. Okay? And that is the first thing. And the second thing, the very, very important stuff is you need to choose your own room. You need to have your own room, even for your studies, your work, even for your sleep. See, this is the process how it works. You eat there, you sleep there, you work there. Okay, so there is no time for the work, there is no time for the sleep, there is no time for the food. I think little confusion. In that way also, so many people will do when they are working for success. So many people, so many success people, mantra is that they won't tell us. They won't tell us. But these people woke up at morning 5 o'clock and they will do the meditation exercises, whatever. They'll finish their important jobs. And after that, they will write what they want to do that day, or before day only they will prepare every documentation what they want to do it on the next day. It depends on your flexibility, but the documentation need to be prepared what you are doing on that day. If you are preparing before day or the day early morning when you woke up, it depends on you. It won't affect that much. Okay, you have to prepare and time slots. According to that, you need to go ahead. Okay, see, very simple. There are 10 bananas here. There are 10 bananas here. So 10 bananas are you going to have immediately? One time? No, right? We'll have one banana at different times when we require the energy. The same way, don't try to do everything at one shot like a Messi. You got it? It won't work. It won't work for us. Okay? Very simple and specified tasks you need to take a step by step, one by one step. You have to plan it 7 steps per day. Okay? You got it, team? And when you are starting in the morning, do strategical tasks in the morning, because you will have a lot of energy, because you had a nice sleep, 7 hours sleep, right? We want to live a little long, in the sense without any problems, physical or health problems. Then you know you need a good sleep, very, very good sleep. Okay, so 8 tasks are very, very important. As I told you, 8 tasks are very, very 7 tasks are very, very important. You need to plan it like that. Okay, and You need to take a rest at least 7 hours. It's not kind of power naps or something like that. You need to take a 7 hours rest. It's a must. And have a 4 liters of water. That will give you a very good energy for your body. Okay. And very, very important stuff is only you're going to watch a movie or watch series, whatever funny stuff, weekly one day, that is for your day. Weekly one day, that is for you. Okay, you are not going to touch anything, any work. That is your day. Whatever you want to do it, you can do it. In that way, you just train your brain. Okay, in that way, you just train your brain. So, I think you understood on this whole training program. Okay, I think you got a good things where you can change your life. Okay, very, very important in our life, like, you know, uh, to success, we need principles and we need to follow the principles. That is very, very important, my dear team. I love you all. I think, not think, you're going to do this from the morning and comment it and share, share everything, whatever you feel, if it is good, if it is bad, in my Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or anywhere. Hashtag Bhavin told me these new things on this topic. Whatever you feel, if you feel bad, you post it, no problem. If you feel good, post it, because people need to know. Because people need to know. I don't have a much time. That was the reason I'm not able to present you more with my own illustrations. I can do everything, but I don't have a time. I need to share this everything as soon as possible to everyone. But definitely, I'll recruit the people and all. For this division, I started a company, and I set up this a knock in India with 35 sittings. But due to this COVID and all, I'm not able to recruit the people, and whoever working for me, I just I just removed them because of this COVID and all. Okay, I cannot entertain anyone, and you can ask me, you can say that, okay, Mr. Bhavin, you people can work in remote, right? See, only the one thing, even if it is in office only, people won't work properly. Then if it is in remote, I seen so many peoples from past 10 years, it won't work out for our businesses. Okay, so that was the reason I'm only one person doing everything here, because I'm not ready to stop preparing the videos or stop doing all this stuff, because in the market so many people are facing so many problems, like so many people are giving so many promises, but they are not fulfilling the promises. They are creating so many problems. I before starting these programs, I researched so many months. I think nearly um, 8 9 months I researched what, who was teaching what, who was telling what and all. And long back, only 4 months back only, I started recording. But some people discouraged me that you're not good, you're not this, you're not that. I prepared 2 or 3 courses. Then I realized, okay, then let's see what other people are doing, what other people are teaching. But again, I researched and I came back, no one is telling anything. People are just collecting the money. So that was the reason. Again, okay, then Bhavin, whatever happens, we need to start, we need to serve the people. We need who requires you, okay, who need you. Definitely you need to give a right solution. Okay, that's what I'm doing from past 25 years. So again, I think I need to get in to the market, and I need to provide a right solutions. So that was the reason again I started my dear team. Okay, and another thing I can tell you only one thing seriously. In one day, no one is perfect. In one day, no one can't learn everything, because so many things we need to learn here. You got it? Okay, so many things we need to learn it. So, and you know, each and every module won't be you know, it won't be like, in depth we cannot get in also. Because once we started learning, it's a big ocean. Every topic is in a big ocean. We need to learn step by step. I think so. What I feel is okay. So some of the tools you are going to maybe basic, but not an advanced level. But you have to learn the advanced level also. Because see, very simple. Coming to the any department, anything, even graphic designing, video creations, anything, okay, you can do it manually. And and the next thing is, using with some other tools you can generate a videos. And the high technology is artificial intelligence. With the artificial intelligence, very simple, you can train a machine, and machine will think like a human, and machine will work like the same way whatever the human does. Even they can create their own videos also within a fraction of seconds. Whatever the video required, AI will do that. That is the technology right now. It's already in the market. I'm in the design structure, I'm in developing stage. I'm doing everything. I'm just writing and programming in a AI robo, just like me. Whatever knowledge I have, I'm just going with the machine learning. I'm just spending some time on that. So you can see my clone within a couple of, might be in a month, you can see my own clone. So I'm just going with the machine learning right now. So technology, what I mean to say is, technology is an ocean, my dear friends. Okay, don't feel bad, but I can say you one thing. In front of you, it's a big ocean, is there? Very big ocean. You dig it as much as you required. I'm ready to share you. But I need only one promise. Use this knowledge in your business. Don't copy and do it as it is the same way what I do. That was the reason I didn't came into the market these many days, because If I'm sharing any knowledge, what happens tomorrow? The other person will open another shutter, another office with the same concepts. You got my team. You got it, right? So, one mad monkey, the reason one mad monkey will create a lot of mess in the market. So, other people will suffer because they won't get the knowledge. Okay, whatever team, I'll catch you on the next topic. Okay, and I will keep on updating this. I'm ready to share so many things, but I don't have a much time to do all this stuff. Okay, step by step I'll upload so many things, so many stuff. You can learn it in step by step on this program. You got it, right? You can understand. So you got an enough knowledge as of now. You just practice these things. Okay, we can update according to that, because we do have a live sections every week, right? In that sections, whatever the queries we get it, so according to the queries inputs, we can prepare more and more and more and more videos on this, and we can put it on that particular module. Okay, and I'll catch you on the next section team and next module. And the next topic you need to go with time management. Very important topic is time management. In the time management, same topics, whatever the topics we covered, those topics are going to be covered, but add-on topics also going to discuss. Okay, thank you team, and I love you, and thanks for bearing me also.